What if I told you there's a new AI that could make entire YouTube videos with real people, emotions, and camera movements all from a single line of text? Sounds impossible, right? Well, it's not, because OpenAI just dropped something called Sora, and it's about to completely rewrite how YouTube automation works, especially for faceless creators like you and me. See, we've seen dozens of AI tools come and go. Runway, Pika, VO, all of them claim to be the future of video. But here's the thing, none of them can do what Sora can. Sora doesn't just animate an idea, it imagines it. You type something like, "a dog saving a child from a moving electric train," and Sora turns that sentence into a full cinematic video. The lighting, the emotion, the camera motion, everything looks like it came from a real movie studio. But here's where it gets even crazier. You don't need actors, you don't need cameras, you don't even need editing software. All you need is an idea, and that idea alone can turn into a movie. Think about that for a second. Now here's where most creators completely miss the point. They see this and think, cool, now I can make TikToks faster. But that's not what Sora is for. Sora isn't just another trend, it's a paradigm shift. Because for the first time ever, faceless creators don't have to stay faceless because they lack resources. They stay faceless because they choose to. You can now create stories, lessons, emotional films, anything that looks fully human, without ever showing your face or hiring a single person. But what does that mean for YouTube automation? Let's be honest. Faceless YouTube used to be simple. Find a niche, grab some stock footage, record a voiceover, and boom, a video. That worked fine for years, but then everyone started doing it. Suddenly, every motivational channel looked the same. Every AI news video had the same stock B-roll of robots shaking hands. Every storytelling video used the same clips from Pixels. It all became predictable. But Sora breaks that pattern. Because now, you can literally create your own B-roll. No more scrolling through stock sites for hours trying to find the perfect clip of a man standing in the rain. Now you just type, "a man stands in the rain," and Sora gives you something unique. A scene no one else has ever used. That means you stop competing with hundreds of other faceless creators using the same footage and start leading with originality. And here's where it gets exciting. Imagine you're running a storytelling channel. You upload short moral stories or emotional tales with a voiceover. Now imagine each one having real, original cinematic visuals that match your narration perfectly. The kind of visuals that pull viewers in emotionally, not just visually. That's not just good storytelling. That's YouTube gold. Or think about motivational channels. Instead of showing random gym stock clips, you could generate a full scene of a man training in the rain or a woman running up a mountain at sunrise, every time, completely new. This kind of emotional realism skyrockets retention because people don't just watch your message, they feel it. But here's where most creators won't pay attention, and that's where the opportunity lies. While everyone's getting distracted chasing new AI voice models, smart YouTube automation creators will quietly build video systems powered by Sora. Systems that write, generate, voice, and upload content all automatically. Picture this. ChatGPT writes your script. 11 Labs gives it a human voice. Sora turns the text into cinematic visuals. And tools like Opus Clip or Pictory cut it down into shorts. You've just built a YouTube content machine, a full media brand that runs while you sleep. And the best part? Each channel looks completely different, because every scene Sora generates is one of one. So while everyone else is fighting over recycled stock footage, you're building unique brands, fast. But before you get too excited, let's be real for a second. Sora isn't public yet. At the time of this recording, only a few developers and ChatGPT Plus users have early access. That means most of us can't use it yet. But that's actually the best part, because this right now is the calm before the storm. The moment before Sora goes public, when everyone floods YouTube with AI-generated videos. And when that happens, only the creators who've already built their systems, channels, and audiences will survive the wave. The rest? They'll drown in the noise. So what should you do right now? First, build your foundation. Start your faceless channel now, even without Sora. Use existing tools like Runway, VO, or Pika to get the workflow down. Because when Sora becomes available, you won't be learning, you'll be scaling. Second, master storytelling. No matter how powerful AI gets, the story will always be king. You can't automate emotion, you can't code a feeling. So the creators who know how to move people will always win, no matter what tools come next. And third, set up your income systems. Monetization on YouTube is just one piece of the puzzle. If you build your faceless channel the right way, you can earn from affiliate links, brand deals, courses, and even licensing your AI content to other businesses. See, the real opportunity with Sora isn't just faster content, it's creative leverage. Because once you have systems, story, and scale, you can use AI to build entire digital assets, faceless brands that make money 24/7. That's not the future. That's happening now. But what happens when everyone gets access to Sora? What happens when the market gets flooded with AI-generated videos that all look amazing? Well, that's when the human side of creation becomes the advantage again. Because Sora can make movies, but it can't make sense. That part still comes from you. And that's the secret edge you'll have if you start today. So while most creators are waiting for the next big thing, you're already building for it. You'll have your audience, your systems, and your vision ready. And when Sora drops for everyone else, you'll be miles ahead. The next YouTube gold rush isn't showing your face, it's in showing your vision. So start now, because when the floodgates open, you won't want to be standing on the shore, watching everyone else ride the wave. You'll want to be on the wave, leading it. And if you want to know exactly how to build your faceless system before Sora goes public, hit that subscribe button, because what's coming next will change everything.